Hello everyone and welcome again to Mr. Hallelujah Maths class. Alright, let us quickly solve this problem. If nth term of the GP 3, 6, 12 to infinity is 192, then what is the value of n? If you look at this type of GP question, you will understand that it is infinite. You understand? It has no ending. Understand? So now let us quickly solve this problem. We are told that the nth term is 192. So let's quickly write the formula for nth term of a GP. The nth term is our first term multiplied by the ratio as a common ratio raised to the power of n minus 1. All right. N is the number of term. So now our nth term we were told is 192 equal to our first term is 3. Okay, our first term is 3. Meanwhile, our common ratio is 2 because our common ratio is gotten from the second term divided by the first term. So 6 all over 2 will give us 6 all over 3 will give us 2. So multiply by 2 raised to the power of n minus 1. Alright, so quickly what we do is we need to divide both sides by 3 so that 2 raised to the power of n minus 1 will stand alone because we are looking for n. So if we divide both sides by 3, simply means that 3 will divide 192 and it will give us 64. So 64 equal to 2 raised to the power of n minus 1. Alright, so see what we need to do now is we need to make the base to be the same. So and we know that if we write 2 raised to the power of 6, it will give us 64. So we simply write it in index form. 2 raised to the power of 6 equal to 2 raised to the power of n minus 1. So what we need to do quickly, since the base are the same, we can easily cancel out the base. So we are left with 6 equal to n minus 1. Alright, so what we need to do now is to make n the subject formula, and if we do that, it simply means that it will now give us n equal to 6 plus 1, which will give us 7. N is equal to what? 7. So this is our final answer. N is equal to 7. Thanks for watching. Do well to follow the page, Mr. Hallelujah Maths class. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.